Now we will show you how to install all the machines together. The first one, it is the semi-automatic LCD separator. And this is the power line. Here we will connect it here to the machine. There is a plug for the power line. And connect it to the power plug or to your wall. But make sure that the voltage it is 220 here. And then this is the power line for the vacuum pump. We plug it here. And this here, it is a hose for the vacuum. Plug here. Now, the setting will be finished. And here, we click this button. This is controls the temperature here. Usually the temperature it is 80 degree or 80 to 90, both okay. And then plus this, it is the start for this one. And here, it is for the start button for the vacuum pump. Because the vacuum pump connects with the LCD separator already, so just click this button, it will control the on or off for the vacuum pump. So this is the whole setup for the semi-automatic LCD separator. And see here, this gauge it is for you to check the speed for the wine. It is 1 second. It means that 1 second on this side and 1 second on another side. So it will roll like one side 1 second and another side another second, like this.
先要开真空棒吸住才能开那个。
知道我是谁。OK， 那我要给他们解释一下。
先要开真空棒把它吸住，不行，没吸住。
Put it to cover the hose, so you can. Okay, this is for iPhone 5. Make sure that the line is just to separate the glass oil, and then pull it in slowly for the first round. And make sure that your temperature is up to 80 degrees, so the glue will be more softer by the higher temperature. And while you separate to the end, make sure that you don't touch the cable. And then for the second round. For the next round, you can be much quicker because the wine almost has been separated by the steel line.
可以了。先关马达，一定是反着来的。
It has been separated very successfully. And usually, if it is the original LCD, if it is the original LCD, you can remove the glue by your hand in order to protect the polarized film. But if you think that the polarized film it is needed to be replaced, you can just use the glue removal machine to remove the polarized film together with the glue.